Upcoming projects and future episodes include Michelle's new kitchen countertops. These are made from store-bought lumber, and I'll go through the whole process, like I said, in another video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. On October the 11th, 2018, Michelle and I stood atop Eagle Summit. And with the help of some Athabascan friends, we celebrated what we called an I Do ceremony. Native Alaskans called the ceremony by another name, but those who conducted it allowed us to rename it I Do. I do promise to love, honor, and cherish you all the days of my life. And I do promise, till my dying breath, to see to it that your greatest dream is made a reality. A life together in the Alaskan wilderness. I'm simplifying it here because it was much more involved than that. Since then, we have met every challenge with strength and courage. We made our way down off that summit that day. We have never looked back. We need to run into the post office and pick up our mail. About a 20-plus mile trip one way. And thought you might want to go along with us. And this is our ride. I love you too. Drive safe. Oh, I will. I will. This is the moment that I long for on this trip to the post office. Coming back, once I see the hills of home, I get a little excited because I know that I can park this thing and get out. Also, in an upcoming episode, I'll give everyone a look at just how daunting off-grid living can really be. Like the 3 watercraft that we have right now tied up here at our cut bank, all 3 of them need to be worked on, but to do it properly, you need them out of the water. So I'll show you in an upcoming episode how we do it while they're still sitting on the water. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a look at our Alaska.